Reviews of top 5 best kayaks for beginners. List number 1. The Intex Explorer K2 kayak is sporty and fun with a streamlined design for easy paddling. The bright yellow color and sporty graphics make the kayak highly visible in the water. Great for experiencing lakes and mild rivers with a friend, this sports series kayak is perfect for 2 adults. Lightweight and compact, this kayak is a snap to assemble and allows you to take the fun of kayaking wherever you go. Made with rugged vinyl construction, this sturdy kayak has an inflatable I-beam floor for comfort and rigidity. A removable skeg provides directional stability, while 2 adjustable inflatable seats with backrests are included for comfort. Quick inflating or deflating is a breeze with a Boston valve on each side. A grab line and grab handle at each end are provided for your convenience, as well as a US Coast Guard ID and a repair patch kit. The Explorer K2 kayak provides added accessories including 286 aluminum oars and an Intex high-output pump for easy inflation and deflation. List number 2. If you want a durable, yet affordable one-person kayak, look no further than the Intex Challenger K1K Act series. This inflatable kayak is a great choice for those just starting out and looking to make some solo trips out on the water. Made of welded material, this model will work great for any lakes or slow-moving rivers. The puncture-resistant vinyl, 2 separate air chambers, and inflatable I-beam floor give this kayak a solid construction for the price point. There's also a cargo net at the front of the kayak for extra storage space for your things. Measuring a total of 108 inches and weighing only 27.2 pounds, this is one of the smaller kayaks on the list. It's also not ideal for bigger individuals as the maximum weight capacity is 220 pounds. One thing we like about this kayak is the quick assembly. Once you get the hang of it, you can have the kayak inflated and completely put together in under 10 minutes. The deflation process is similarly easy, so if you're worried about transporting your kayak, you don't need to be with this model. This is a great value pick for those that want to get started in kayaking but don't want to break the bank. While this is a durable kayak and an excellent buy for the money, keep in mind that you aren't paying that much, so don't expect the world. List number 3. Built for waterways like the meandering Noyo River of Northern California, the Noyo kayak is designed for those looking to take to the water and stay dry. With an enclosed cockpit, the Noyo offers the dryness and a secure paddle for a beginner looking to feel comfortable. A recreational paddling boat, the Noyo gets you on the water in all weather. A solo-covered kayak perfect for quick day trips or longer excursions, Noyo offers the dryness and a secure paddle for a beginner looking to feel comfortable. These inflatable kayaks are designed to play as hard as you do. Portable, lightweight and built to last, Noyo is the ideal day trip canoe. Designed for recreational paddling, it features a quick-release fin, drain plug, Boston valve, zip-open dry compartments for storage, accessory strap, molded handle, and D-ring. Aquaglide's passion for water sports drives us to engineer some of the best boating technologies available, so you get the performance you want to be combined with the hassle-free portability you need. List number 4. The Advanced Elements Advanced Frame Convertible Kayak is a 15-foot kayak that can be paddled solo or tandem. It features 2 adjustable padded back supports for comfortable seating, durable, double-coated fabric. A dry storage compartment and bungee deck lacing allow you to take along important gear. The Advanced Frame Convertible is a 15-foot kayak that can be paddled solo or tandem. With an open deck design, you can easily enter and exit the boat or utilize the optional single or double decks to convert your Advanced Frame Convertible from an open deck to a closed deck kayak in a matter of seconds. The design of this kayak combines a rigid bow and stern rib frame design with the versatility of tandem or solo seating positions and interchangeable decks. Attach the optional double deck to make your Advanced Frame Convertible a closed deck tandem kayak in a matter of seconds. The double deck has D-rings and a mesh pocket for enhanced gear stowage. Attach the optional single deck conversion to make your Advanced Frame Convertible a closed deck solo kayak in a matter of seconds. The single deck sports a series of D-rings with bungee deck lacing, arched deck riser aluminum stays, and a rear cargo hatch. Remove either optional deck to paddle the Advanced Frame Convertible in either solo or tandem configuration. List number 5. If you're looking to buy a beginner kayak for your kid, you can't go wrong with the Lifetime Youth Wave kayak. Built for kayakers weighing less than 130 pounds, this sit-on-top kayak is 6 feet long and comes with molded-in handles on the sides and at the front and the back. Weighing in at only 18 pounds, this vessel can be easily transported without much of an issue. Some of the features of this kayak include self-draining scupper holes, reverse chine for enhanced stability, and a swim-up step, along with an ergonomic cockpit design that will enhance their motor skills and balance. The main drawback would be the size. Since it's only 6 feet in length, there's only so much use your kids will be able to get out of it until they're too big for it and need to upgrade. It's also not suitable for anything other than calm waters, which could be an issue for some. Overall, this is a great starter kayak for your kids if they're little and want to do their own thing out on the water but aren't quite ready for an adult-sized kayak yet.